The difference between a basic design and a professional one is often how well the layout controls attention. Today, how to create attention-guided frame layouts. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 square canvas. Begin with a soft beige background and apply a subtle gradient that becomes slightly darker toward the edges. Insert one large rectangular frame near the center and upload your primary image. Carefully adjust the crop so the subject becomes the strongest visual element. Add two smaller supporting frames on opposite sides and place complementary images inside them. Apply soft shadow effects to all frames and reduce the blur settings until they feel natural.